Row speed is probably the most underrated stock FL plugin, and I don't think a lot of producers really know how to use it to its max potential. Starting off, if this line is horizontal, it means it's at 100% playback speed. As soon as you start dragging it down, it decreases the playback speed. To add an extra marker to the plugin, you can press right click. Drawing in a pattern like this will repeat the first 2 bars. And depending on where this point is, it'll repeat the bar like a half a bar earlier, if that makes sense. When you bring in an upward diagonal line, it'll basically increase the playback speed time. And when you draw in a downward diagonal line, it'll reverse the playback speed. When you start playing around with the curve of the slope, the playback speed and the reverse effect will kind of clash and you'll get this turntable effect.